Your firewall is a rear-view mirror. It only sees attacks that have already been invented. Right now, hackers are in their hideouts, building the weapon that will breach you tomorrow. Our Threatsploit Labs found 71% of organizations only react to threats. They never predict them. AI-generated malware variants have increased 300% year over year. 83% of threat feeds are just noise, missing critical targeted intel. Getting a list of bad IPs isn't intelligence. It's a false sense of security. You need to know who is targeting you. What are their goals? What are they building? We deliver a live adversary GPS for your business. Deep and dark web monitoring. AI-powered threat actor profiling. Strategic and tactical intel reports. We turn foresight into action. Proactive threat hunting. We find them before they find you. Strategic war games. Tabletop exercises based on real intel. Vendor risk intelligence. See which third parties are being targeted. You can keep reading yesterday's news, or you can own tomorrow's battlefield. The choice is yours.